basically what it is like it feels like a Rockstar split of some kind. Like you feel like a rock star when you do it. It's a split grip grab, and you're like folded over when you go into the split. We're going back, we're rotating the foot, placing our left hand in the split grip, and then we're gonna shoot the left leg back straight and the right leg forward, like this. Just start it from here. You're gonna throw the right leg up, the left leg back, and you really have to lean down so that your legs can get straight and you can get the most out of your split. Because we're not gonna rely on active flexibility to get a perfect split like this, because we're not ballerinas, we're pole dancers. So we're gonna cheat as much as possible by leaning over and throwing the legs back. This is where the power comes in. You need to jump and throw the legs up as much as you can. I tell people to focus on getting the back leg straight because that's harder to do than the front leg. And sometimes when you actively focus on doing just that part, you're able to get that done and this is still straight. So that's like a little tip.